Your home is heating up, and it will only get worse. The electric bill for the air conditioning is going to be through the roof. Additionally, running traditional air conditioning can be expensive and harmful to your health. AC units use a lot of energy and can actually make your home less healthy by circulating dust, pollen, and other allergens in your home. Here's why a whole house fan is worth the investment. With the active ventilation of a whole house fan, the powerful breeze coming through the windows in your home allow you to feel 5 to 10 degrees cooler within seconds of turning the whole house fan on. Cool your home and attic by up to 30 to 50 degrees and feels instantly 5 to 10 degrees cooler. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button on this video right now to get your free in-home estimate.